Now, I'm not a child, but I do love me some ice cream.
Oh my god, this is so nice.
It's my favourite food. I actually got bullied at work for saying ice cream is my favourite food. Yeah, ice cream is great, but the nice ones like Ben & Jerry's are so expensive in store. And I don't have that kind of money, obviously. So I thought to myself, why don't I just make ice cream at home? So that's why I bought this machine. It's called the Ninja Creami, and it makes ice cream from scratch. Obviously, you have to buy your own ingredients, which are casting sugar, double cream, milk, vanilla extract, cream cheese, and some Oreos. And I will also explain and show you how this process works.
So, today, I'm making ice cream with this big thing. Look at it, it's massive, massive. Yeah, I love ice cream. Ice cream's my favorite. Who doesn't like ice cream? And it's probably winter right now and I'm making ice cream, but hey, I'm an adult. I can do what I want. Best things of being an adult. Today we're gonna be making vanilla ice cream because I'm a simple guy. This is the Ninja machine, the Ninja Creami machine. Comes with an instruction book, so I'm going to be following this instructions and hopefully it goes right. I'm not very good at following instructions at all. Hopefully this house is intact after I'm done. As you can see on the instructions, there's the ingredients. I need cream cheese, caster sugar, vanilla extract, double cream whole milk, and chocolate chips.
I know what you guys are thinking. This is just a glorified blender. It legit says on the box that it's not a blender. I think a lot of people mistaken this machine for a blender. Here you go, I searched up on Google. This is what it says on how it works. Pause the video if you want to see how it works, because that is a mouthful to read.
So I've got the ingredients. The cream cheese. Do you know what though? When I went to Asda, the supermarket, and I was looking for cream cheese, I don't cook. I don't make food, you see. I don't make food at all. And I was looking for cream cheese. I was looking for I was like, where the blood in heck is the cream cheese? Like, apparently this is cream cheese. I've never seen cream cheese in my bloody life. Where the hell does it say cream cheese for me to indicate that it's cream cheese? You're probably calling me stupid. I probably am stupid, but what is it? It just says fresh and creamy takes Philadelphia. But what is it? Is it butter or is it cheese, bro? I don't know. Milk, blue milk. If you're not from Britain, there's 3 types of milk. There's blue, green, and red. Blue means full fat milk. Green means semi-skimmed, and red is just water. If you have red, you're criminal. You're criminal. Get tested. Go to a mental hospital. And double cream, basically diabetes. And grapes. No, they're not going in the ice cream, I just like grapes. Directions number 1. In a large microwave safe bowl, microwave the cream cheese for 10 seconds and add the sugar and vanilla extract with a whisk. Beat for about 6 seconds until the mixture looks like frosting.
Did the instruction just say beat the frosting? That's amazing, because I'm the best beater ever. This should be easy.
Before we get started in making everything, this big thing cost me like over 200 quid, bro. You're probably wondering why I bought it in the first place. I bought it as an impulse buy, meaning I was bored and I just bought it. I don't have money. Trust me, I don't have money. I just thought, what's my favorite food? Ice cream. And this can make ice cream. It's a no-brainer. So I bought it. I used it once, I never used it again, and I bought it last year. But just sat collecting dust. £200. I did a buy now, pay later, paid for the other day. I was like, I just paid for something that I've only used once, and it cost me over £200. I'm stupid. There's the cream cheese. Yeah.
Right now, I'm just measuring the cream cheese in a bowl, then I'm going to put it in the microwave for 10 seconds.
So it says I have to microwave the cheese for 10 seconds. So that's what I'm going to do now. 10 seconds. Oh, that's 30. Oh shit. Something's popping. So that's been microwaved. So basically I put this in a microwave my microwave doesn't do in 10 seconds, 30 seconds in increments. So I did 30 seconds when it was meant to be 10, and then I accidentally wiped it on my camera by accident, and I tried to wipe it off while the microwave was microwaving the cheese, and it started making a popping sound because I didn't realize that the microwave was still on while I was trying to wipe off the cheese from the camera, if you get what I mean. And it started like blowing up, so got it out there quick. But it was definitely more than 10 seconds. Boring. Okay, now I gotta weigh the sugar. Why do I do this? I don't even like cooking, bro. I hate cooking. or bacon, whatever this is. I don't like it. So in the ingredients, it says use casting sugar, but I've only got normal sugar. The difference between casting sugar and normal sugar is that casting sugar is like a powdery texture, and the one I've got is just normal sugar, which is like little granules. So hopefully it's all right, but well, we'll see. 55 grams of sugar. That's a lot of sugar, you know. That's a lot of sugar. That's like a mountain. Is that sure? That's one portion. Literally, that's a Mount Everest, bro. That's diabetes. I'm gonna turn into a diabetic. We have to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Guess how much this costs, bro? Guess how much this costs? How many mil? 35 mil. £3! This cost me £3. What the hell? I didn't realise this stuff was expensive. £3 for brown liquid. I can give you free brown liquid. I think I put quite a bit. I think I put quite a bit too much on. The more the better. It's more to have. It's good to have more than too less. You get me? Beat the mixture with a silicone spatula or whisk for 60 seconds until the mixture looks like frosting. So you see, I haven't got a spatula, so I've got a wooden spoon, which I used to get beat with when I was a child. So we'll use this. So it's good enough for beating when I used to get beat by this. Mixed it enough now. It's like a white gooey thing. Yeah. I have to put 150 milliliters of double cream and 230 milliliters of whole milk. That should be easy. Let's do this. Now I have to mix it and whisk it. So I need to find a whisk in my house. I found a whisk, an electric whisk. It's got 2 modes. It's got normal mode and it's got turbo mode. Ah! Oh fuck's sake! Oh my god! Mixed it till everything's fully dissolved. Now I have to put it in like a container, like this kind of container. You're probably thinking, 24 hours? Why are you putting it in the freezer for 24 hours? Or you're not going to use that big Hulk machine? No, I'm not. That's the thing with this machine. You gotta. Once you've made this mixture and made the product, you got to put it in the fridge to freeze for 24 hours. That's one of the main drawbacks to this machine, because I'm a very impatient guy. I want things like that. I want things right now. I'm sure most people are, but yeah, now I have to wait 24 hours just to eat an ice cream. That's one of the main drawbacks to this machine. But one of the good things of this machine is, if you for instance, if you go to the gym like me, muscles. If you go to the gym like me, people actually use this machine to put their protein powder and creatine, and I don't know if creatine, but protein powder into the ice cream. So when they eat ice cream, they get protein. You don't also just make ice cream. You make milkshakes, sorbet, gelato. I think it's called gelato. But mainly, people get this machine if they're like gym fanatics, if they want to make a healthy version of something. As you can see, with my fat face, I'm not the healthiest bloke on the planet, so I just want ice cream. That's what I thought it was. But it's mainly for people who are active people, who put like protein and stuff in their ice creams. Not just for like me, who just wants ice cream and doesn't care what's in it. I can just go to the shop and get a tub of Ben & Jerry's. But this one is for the health people, if you know what I mean. But also, I can put anything in it. So when it's finished, when I get it out tomorrow, I can put anything I want. I can put Oreos, I can put Biscoff, anything, Nutella, whatever. These are all the functions to this machine. I'll show them later on the video. So it's the next day, and I put the ice cream in the freezer. Yes, I had to wait 24 hours for this. Ugh. Looks like white powder. Do you want to sniff it, Zaid?
Yeah.
And I've got some Oreos here. I'm gonna put in the
and the ice cream to make an ice cream flavored Oreo. That's one of the better things about this machine. You can mix stuff in. Okay, let's go. Can I remember? Do I remember how to do this? So now I'm putting the ice cream in the machine. There is a little blade that mixes the whole ice cream on top of the lid, and it's quite hard to put on, as you can see. I struggled quite a bit there. And you know it's in the machine when it makes a little click sound, and it's quite straightforward from there. You just twist it and lift it up. You can see all the features here: sorbet, light ice cream, gelato, whatever a smoothie bowl is, and a milkshake. I'm gonna click ice cream. It's very loud. As you can hear, it's very loud. So I'm gonna put a timer on my phone. Now say 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes, and it takes for this to be done. So it's done now. For some reason, it's very loud. I don't know why it's so loud, but it's so loud. I'm taking it out now. Yeah, that doesn't look like ice cream, does it? So right now I'm putting the milk in because it looks a bit dry. I'm going to put the milk in and restart the whole process again, and hopefully it gets better. Put an Oreo in there. Probably shouldn't, but let's get deep. Get in there, boy. Get in there. Yeah. The ice cream's a bit cooked, so I'm gonna have to put it on respin, because when it's a bit damaged like it is right now, you can just respin it. Hopefully it works. Why is it so loud? It's finished now. Let's look at the results. Whoa, that looks like an Oreo cream, doesn't it? Should I try it? Yeah. Soft. Oh my god, that's well nice. I'm gonna put more Oreos in there.
When I usually take videos, that's pausing.
I put 2 Oreos in there, right in the middle. Respin, because I put 2 more Oreos in. Look at that, it's brown now. Ah, that's actually so nice, like, that's actually so nice. So I bought some store-bought ice cream to test the difference between this and this. I'm gonna have 1 scoop of this. By the way, vanilla is my favorite ice cream, by the way, so this should technically be better than this Oreo one. It's actually quite nice for a store-bought ice cream, but I'm gonna try this one now as well. This one. Oh, this one. It's gotta be this one, Zai. It's gotta be this one, people. This one, the texture, the way that makes it makes it like a soft serve ice cream that you get from an ice cream van. It tastes like a soft serve ice cream that you get from an ice cream van, which is really nice. As you can tell, my brother likes his food. Look at his belly. He's very obese, fat little boy.
Oreo's better.
This one wins, but at what cost? I spent £200 on a machine to make this ice cream. It took a whole day, and you have to buy separate ingredients. There's a lot more labor to make this than a normal store-bought, but the quality of ice cream is, this one's better. I guess when you put work into something, it's gonna taste better. As you saw, I put Oreos in it, I put extra ingredients in it. You could put anything else in it. That's the magic of this machine. You can choose whatever you want. Berries, if you're making a sorbet, fruits, or other like chocolate bars or stuff like that, you can put this in it. What most people use this for, I think I already said before, for gym people, for gym goers, because there was a mode that said light ice cream. I like ice cream, which is like a healthier version of an ice cream, which is quite nice. Obviously this costs more money, but I could use the ingredients that I already bought for better quality ice cream. But look how big it is. It's the size of my, so it's a big portion. In the long run, if you're an active person and you know you're going to use this machine, the machine is good, better than the normal store-bought ice cream. But if you're like me, you just don't have time, or you just probably be the store, but don't buy this machine, you go for the store-bought one. But if you're like a gym goer, get this machine. Oh my god, this is so nice. Zai, this is so nice. Do you want some?